Morning! Welcome to a Tin Dog podcast. This time, well, something slightly different. It's an unboxing video. Never done one before, but I got post. Directly to me. It's something I didn't get while I was in America. Something I really, really wanted. Let me show you. Hang on. I don't know what the excitement is about unboxing videos, but I guess it's important that we do these sort of things and all join in a tiny knife. Okay. And here we go. A kyber crystal. Now, for those of you paying attention, I built myself a lightsaber when I was in Disney this summer, and I got myself a green one with it, and I couldn't help but get a blue one, which is very nice. Purple was nice. I should have bought a red one. I kind of regretted it all the time, but I've managed to track down a bargain on eBay. An absolute bargain. I thought I'd treat myself for my birthday. There we go, one kyber crystal box. Gonna unscrew it. A little bit excited. There we are, the actual crystal. Now, for those of you who don't know, the crystal goes inside the lightsaber. Oh look, a lightsaber. This is my lightsaber, which at the moment, green. Oh yeah, Yoda colours. We like that. So I'm now going to go into fast forward mode while I replace it with the red one, and we'll see if it works. So bear with. First off, removal of the blade. Now it looks like a lightsaber. Then there's a lot of unscrewing. Now it's marked in colours, red to red, blue to blue. Should lock in place. That goes on that end with the emitter screwed on. This goes on the other end with the belt buckle screwed on. Is the noise it makes if it doesn't have a blade. Reconnect the blade. And now we see if it works. Let me just turn the lights off, shall we? Now, do I suit being a Sith or not? Either way, that was the unboxing. Be seeing you.